Marshall say, boy, Marshall, over 30 years now, me a fishing off a Joyce, you know.
So and play Mass John?
You have a brother named Charles Tamlin.
Charles Tamlin
I play Mass John. Now Charles now, if
Charles
you watch,
big actor.
big actor, man. Big actor.
So who playing the female? Who playing the female? Let me see.
We have 3 females in it.
So I see one of them. One of the flyer them. What name? Selector. What name again?
Oh,
Richie Poe.
Who?
Yeah, Richie Poe.
Richie Poe? I went play.
Richie Poe.
So Richie Poe. Oh, which are Richie Poe them now? Cause remember that
Richie
both.
Poe. So Richie Poe. Yes, sorry.
So the number one.
You know, the king.
The
king.
Why number one? Yeah, anyway.
He been watching our show. He been watching our show. If you say that.
Okay, so the king. He play a part
So
of
the king
Richie Poe.
added on to it.